don't get it. How do you do it?
Not like that.
Ooh, that just tickled my lip. This should be getting old, but it's not. Like, I need to learn how to do this.
It's like three fingers. It's like three fingers
I don't
here,
even know.
and like one right here, and then.
Do you have to like purse your lips a certain way, or do you just blow? Like, it's like. Oh my goodness! Why does my lip tickle when I do that? Okay. I can't. Can you stop?